Get ready for a burst of Gujarati flavors as we explore the art of making Lasaniya Batata. Now let's turn on the flame and deep fry them. So I'm going to start with frying some potatoes. I have 200 grams of baby potatoes here that I have pressure cooked, peeled and cut them into half. Drop them in oil. Fry them till golden brown. These seem to be done. Let's get them out. Boil a pot of water. I have some Madras onions here that I've peeled. If you don't get Madras onions, you can even take one large onion and cut it lengthwise. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to bash them up. Just bash them lightly. I particularly use these onions because I like them coming in the bite. The water's come to a boil. Drop in 2 tomatoes. I have 4 Kashmiri chilies that I've deseeded. Boil them as well. The skin has started to peel. Turn off the flame. Let's get them out. Let them slightly cool down and then we're going to grind this into a puree. Once they're slightly cooled down, add them in the blender. Peel the tomato skin. Let's grind this into a puree. All the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Turn on the flame. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, add in a bay leaf, a piece of cinnamon and 2 cloves, 1/4 teaspoon hing or asafoetida. I've taken 100 grams of green garlic cloves here that I've pounded. Just in case it's not in season or not available, you can always add 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. A few curry leaves. Saute the garlic for a few seconds. Let's add in 4 green chilies finely chopped, the Madras onions. Saute them for a few seconds. Let's add in the tomato and the chili puree. Cook the tomato puree for at least a good 6 to 7 minutes. Add in a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of amchur or raw mango powder. You could even add a tablespoon of tamarind pulp if you wish. Pinch of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli powder, a big pinch of sugar. Mix all the ingredients and cook till the moisture dries out. Add in some water and bring it to a boil. Let's add in some green garlic leaves, salt to taste. Add in the potatoes. Give it a stir. Cover and let it cook for around 5 minutes on low heat. Let's check on this. This veggie is ready. Let's add in the finishing touches, which is of course coriander leaves. Do try this vegetable with some biscuit bhakris, chapatis or puris. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Till the green garlic season is there, do give this a try. Comment below. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.